Our company is part of a holding company for the production of medicines in Jersey. We have a variety of equipment for the production of medicines, from a peltizer to an automatic self-adhesive labeling line. At the end of the year we modernized and started replacing the outdated and technically obsolete equipment. I have been working as a chief engineer for 20 years, and I know well all the technological processes in the company. I chose new equipment to replace the technically unsuitable one myself, coordinating it with the management before the purchase. It was not an easy job. There was a lot of equipment on the market, processes were changing and automated. The plan of modernization was to buy a machine to control the quality of hard gelatin capsules, which were formed after removal from blister packs. The plan was to buy a modern and high-performance machine. Since I had already chosen many different machines for our company, I had a little experience in the selection, and remained the contacts of some reliable manufacturers of machinery. I began contacting the manufacturers by telephone, and seeing if they could produce a machine to control the quality of hard gelatin capsules. I first contacted a company in Germany, which offered me a machine for quality control of hard gelatin capsules, but they specified that the entire delivery, customs clearance and installation of the equipment was not included in the price. The delivery could have been delayed and I declined. Then I contacted the company from Russia. She said that they do not make this type of machine, but if we can wait, they are willing to design and manufacture a machine, but it will not be until next year. I was not prepared to wait that long. Since I couldn't find a manufacturer for the solid gelatin capsule quality control machine, I decided to take a different route and consult with professionals who work in the pharmaceutical equipment supply industry, and maybe suggest another machine option. I searched on the internet for an intermediary from Russia, because I once had a bad experience delivering equipment from a Chinese intermediary, when a powder filling line was brought to us, but there were no installation documents or technical datasheet. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 vendors online. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. All companies I phoned to make sure of the professionalism of the managers. The specialist from Krasnodar told me to wait for 5 minutes, but she never listened to me. I didn't like this kind of attitude towards the customer. The manager of the company from Kaliningrad talked to me in a polite manner, asked questions about the necessary performance of the equipment, the desired production time. 5 days later I got an email from them about 10 different quality detectors for hard gelatin capsules, and an offer to make a choice on my own. I realized that they did not have a professional approach, and would not help me with my equipment search. The third option of an intermediary from Moscow turned out to be successful for me. The manager, a man, talked to me like a professional. He asked me specific questions about the desired object of analysis, the productivity of the machine, the parameters of the control. At the consultation stage he suggested automatic equipment for the quality control of hard gelatin capsules, which I was able to quickly coordinate with the company management. It shows the number of grams of powder in each capsule, the number of whole and deformed capsules, and their total number. The equipment is automated. Solid gelatin capsules were placed in cells. The machine provided 2 openings at the bottom of the right cabinet. We were satisfied with the equipment for controlling solid gelatin capsules. Practice showed that this was the machine we needed. The competent advice saved me time, and helped me avoid mistakes that I might have made if I had made the choice on my own.